Salang din.
Hindi, nung birthday ng tatay, meron eh.
Ha?
Meron pa isa eh.
Meron.
Wala eh.
Sige, saya yun. Ako yun. Ay, salang. Ano?
Oo, babalik ka ka.
Oo, dapat pala meron tayong happy birthday dito.
Walang tarpaulin.
Here I am, playing with dolls and memories again. Just the nights of time had set me free. Just that of you kept on me, holding a feeling I never outgrew. Those asking every part of me I strive. Only you can feel that inside. So there's nobody can blame. My heart has not made. That's the way I go.
Parang video ka pa kaya.
On my own, I tried to make the best alone. I've done everything I can to see the pain, but only who can stop the rain. I just can't let me down. I just can't miss tomorrow. Just when I thought I'm sorry, but just when I thought I was dead on my own. Oh baby, memories of watching you
Ulit mo yun? Yung may sipon na may sinigang na?
Talunan ka.
Kuhaan yung aking grocery. Baka kaya ko hindi nagko-grocery.
Pati grocery, pinakukuha na.
Aba, baka sa... How's my pants?
Akin yan, aso.
Para sa babae.
Parang sa akin kasya yan.
Sabi ka galing yan? Leggings nga eh, leggings nga eh.
Sa akin nga kasya yan eh.
Makawi mo yan sa taas ko. Yan. Baka sabihin na ako ay kung sa ko
Picturaling malalaking isda.
Nadaig ang grocery ko.
Baka sabihin ko saan ako dinadala ang kwarta.
Hindi mo sinama si ate ha, nagap-gap.
Nadaig ang aking...
Hindi niya alam, walang laman yung iba diyan.
Hindi, kahit pindutin, meron eh. Nung kami nagpunta dito, hindi na ako namili ng gamit. Yan na lang ginamit ko.
Oh, buksan niyo yung inyong
Ay, yung hilo! Yung paano rin bubuksan? Oh, dali ng Tita Deli, ha? Rinig ba yan? Dali ng Tita Deli.